But I want to. With that C-post, with this C-post climb, maybe they would work a little better together. I don't know. I just did this combo because they're the ones that went together. Figured it would make sense. Went over here to look at some free clothes, but it wasn't worth it. Easy house to get to though, so it's alright. Needed to get out anyway, so no worries. I'll live. The guy's house is super easy to get to. It's just down this street. And then once you're there, you turn left and you can see he lives in a real small court that just appears abruptly. Shoot. After you turn right. I was not expecting that. Crap.